Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope you are greatly blessed with health, and today with the grace of Allah Almighty we will do question answers of the lesson my classmates. Let's start them. Question number 1. Who is Umar and what does he do? Here are some hints that will help us to write the answer. Umar is class prefect. What does he do? He consults issues or problems of his class fellows. He listens problem of his classmates. He asks teachers guidance advice for solution of problems. If they need principal advice, they take it for further guidance. These are the duties of the actions that the class prefect performs. Next question, question number 2. Do the boys have friendly relationship? How do you know that? It means first you have to tell yes or no. Yes. The answer is yes, and then tell the way. They have the friend relationship. They quite cooperative, helpful to others, take care and share ideas with each other. They follow their leaders, avoid from creating any problem. They have fun and love one another. It means when they spend time, they develop the friend relationship, they do cooperation, they help each other, they take care and share ideas with each other, they follow advice, they follow their leaders, they follow their class prefect, they avoid from creating any problem or issue, disturbance, they have fun and love another. Dear students, you will write answer by making the proper sentences by using these points. Question number 3. What are the qualities of a good leader? The first quality of the leader is hardworking. Leader should be hardworking. Leader should be sincere, responsible person, punctual. We should choose responsible person our leader. Regular, social. It means if he spends time with each other, they came to know the problem of each other. Humble, the leader should not be proud on his leadership. Leader should have the good character because other people have to follow him. Leader should have good attitude and behavior. Leader should be competent. It means all these qualities are necessary for a good leader. If a leader not punctual, what will happen? The other people who are following him will not be able to do tasks to perform their task properly. These are the qualities of the good leaders. Next question, question number 4. Who is called the Einstein of the class? It means you have to mention the name of the student. What does he tell the class? Okay, Rashid, a good storyteller and intelligent, tells strange facts, she new discovery of modern sciences. There are two things: a good storyteller and intelligent. These are the qualities of the Rashid. And what does he tell? What does the Einstein of the class tell? What are the reasons? The reason is that he tells strange facts, he shared new discoveries of modern science. We can say that in other words, Rashid is called the Einstein of the class. He is a good storyteller and intelligent boy of the class. He tells strange facts and shares new discoveries of modern science. That's why he is called the Einstein of the class. Next we have the question number 5. Tell the ways of developing a cooperative relationship among your classmates. You will tell the different ways for developing the cooperative relationship among your classmates. Here are some strategies, ways, methods. Caring about others. By caring about others, we can develop cooperative relationship. Appreciating. When students do good things, we should appreciate. Giving honor and respect. Being helpful. Spending time with one another. Sharing things, ideas, tasks, and responsibilities. Giving importance to everyone's opinions or problems. It means we can develop a cooperative relationship among our classmates by caring about